Good morning. Today we're Friday, September the 20th, 2020. I'm sorry, September the 4th, 2020. Let's get started with our morning meeting. So, since we're Friday, how's your mood today? Are you excited, sad, surprised, or happy? I'm thinking most of you are excited because it's Friday and we don't have school on Monday. Let's start. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. So let's go over the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, which we're Friday today, Saturday, and Sunday. So yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. So today is September the 4th, 2020, and it is hot outside. The months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Activity for kids. So make sure that in the evenings you all go take a little walk around your neighborhood, or ride your bike, play some basketball. Let's stay active. Your schedule. So these are the classes that you take: math, English language arts, science and biology, humanities, and IEP goals. Today we'll be working on your IEP goals. Life skill lesson is folding clothes. So all week we've been practicing how to fold a towel. So hopefully you all learned and you'll be able to help your parents from now on put away your towels. If you have any questions, make sure you contact your teacher through either Teams on the post or you can call them. Let's get started.